Right, today I'm going to review Ghostbusters 2 for the Commodore Amiga. So, this is Ghostbusters 2. As you can see, I've got a hacked version. Activision made this game. Ghost! There was a title screen right there. 5 years later, Oscar Dana's baby narrowly escapes death by auto as his buggy is dragged by unseen hands into the traffic of a busy New York street. When there's something strange in the neighborhood, who are you going to call? Digitized pictures right there. Nice music. Let's just start the game, shall we? Right, as you can see, I'm being lowered down. So basically, I'm going down. I've got my gun right here, and we spray the baddies. So we go all the way down. Watch out for all these ghosts and shit. You know what I mean? Ah! Have some of that. Oh my life. They're all everywhere, man. There's like people. They're not people. They're like hands coming at the walls. They're like spooky stuff, man. Whoa, 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 whoa! Watch it, watch it. Careful. These baddies will kill you, so you gotta be careful. Oh my god, it's a flying hand! Ah! Ooh! Leave me alone! Just keep going. No! I fell down! You biffin! So we've got 2 lives left, so I can try again. So this is basically Ghostbusters 2, as you can see. Graphics are alright, I suppose. Typical Amiga. The Amiga is capable of much better graphics than this, so I do have to say. There's no parallax scrolling or anything, which it could have done with some. Would have made it look that much nicer. So I'll keep going. Don't know how far I've got to go. I'm going to try and rush down. Can't be that far. Okay, it looks like we have come to the ground now. No, I seem to be out of ammo. So what am I supposed to do now without no ammo? Right. To be honest with you, I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing here. Anyway, this is Ghostbusters 2. I only had a brief look at it for you. And I'm going to give Ghostbusters 2 a 7 out of 10. Goodbye.